Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get TikTok drafts to another phone. Open TikTok. Now, as we all know, if a draft was made on a specific phone and it was saved on the drafts under TikTok, it will not be transferred to another phone even though you log in your account to that other phone. But of course, on this video, we'll find another way. So here I'm just going to find a video that I'm going to save on my drafts. Okay, so I'll choose this video and save it on drafts. Just downloading. Alright, it's now saved to our drafts. Once it's saved on the drafts, open the video again. Then tap next. And then here, make sure the option where who can watch the video, it's only me. Tap more options in here. And then make sure to enable the save to device so that this TikTok draft will be saved on this device you're using right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to post this video in private where only me can see this video. So it's now loading in here. So we just need to wait a few minutes for it to be fully uploaded. Okay, I think it's already uploaded. So we'll go back to our profile. Then tap here the lock icon. That is where your private videos are uploaded. So as you can see in here, the first one that shows up is the video that we have uploaded a while ago. So what will happen in this one is, even though I'm going to log into another phone, this video will be saved on my private videos. And again, only me can see this video. So on this option, I can save the video, I can download it, and whatever I want to do with this video. And also, as you remember a while ago, we put the option where we can save the video on our phone. So as you can see here, it was successfully saved on our photos or on our gallery. That means you can airdrop or send your video into another platforms. And that's how to get TikTok drafts to another phone. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.